Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's long-standing prohibition policy, once seen as a political strength, which drew many women voters especially, to his side, is now facing criticism. Increasingly, not just from opposition but from within his own alliance. Former Chief Minister and NDA ally Jitan Ram Manjhi has called for a major rethink on the alcohol ban. Speaking to the media, Manjhi said, and I'm quoting, police nab people who are drinking in small quantities. There should be a campaign against those making thousands of liters of liquor and smuggling them. He also claimed that prohibition officers are going after the poor while ignoring larger networks involved in illegal liquor trade. Mr. Manjhi, who heads the Hindustan Awam Morcha Secular, has demanded that cases filed against individuals caught with small quantities of liquor should be withdrawn ahead of the upcoming election. He reminded reporters that Nitish Kumar himself had once suggested that people caught carrying limited amounts should not be arrested. The relationship between Mr. Kumar and Mr. Manjhi has seen dramatic turns over the years. After the JDU's poor performance in the 2014 general elections, Mr. Kumar had stepped down and made Mr. Manjhi the chief minister. But when Mr. Kumar tried to reclaim the post less than a year later, Mr. Manjhi simply refused to vacate. He was eventually removed from the party, the JDU, and later formed his own party, only to rejoin forces with Mr. Kumar under the NDA banner. Bihar politics is an ever-evolving organism. Mr. Manjhi's remarks could put Nitish Kumar in a tough spot ahead of the state elections, especially as more voices within and outside the NDA are raising concerns about the prohibition law that has been there for nearly a decade now. Leader of the opposition in Bihar Assembly, Tejashwi Yadav, has previously stated that the policy has turned into a tool for police exploitation. Quote, this law has become an instrument in the hands of the police to exploit the underdogs economically and mentally. 99% of those arrested are Dalit, tribal, and OBCs, he had claimed in April this year. Poll strategist turned politician Prashant Kishore, who's now leading the Jan Suraj, has also spoken against the policy and said that if we are in power, we will remove prohibition within 1 hour. Even Chirag Paswan, another NDA ally and leader of the Lok Janshakti Party, Ram Vilas, questioned the ban, saying that toddy, a naturally fermented drink, should not be considered liquor. Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary has said that when the law was brought in, BJP was not a part of the government, placing the responsibility entirely on JDU and RJD. So let's see what role prohibition plays in the upcoming Bihar Assembly elections.